Hello and welcome to Kev's Railfanning. The friendly outbound crew on CN Z121 has a bit of work to do before departing Edmundston. Before they can head west, they have to set off the 17-car empty TankTrain set that was on the very rear of the train. It would be a long walk to the head end with a train that is well over 2 miles long. So after the conductor got the cars cut off and the Tibbs unit back on the rear of the train, they will catch a ride to the road crossing at Rue Landry in St. Hilaire, New Brunswick to get back on the head end. It is September 20th, 2024 at 12:59 hours Atlantic time, and we're at Rue de la Pointe, mile 6.27 Pelletier Sub, and we're just around the curve from Rue Landry. 121's power is CN 3037, 3063, 3348, and mid DPU 3822, and there are 16 autoracks still on the rear. CN has been filling out some of the 120 and 121s with autoracks to lengthen out their trains. This helps 305 and 306 in getting over the Pelletier and Napadog subs, and is being done to help reduce the need for running extras. With the conductor on board, the friendly crew will soon be blown for the crossing. So let's watch CN Z121. Conductor's on, rolling west again.
C, total axle 584, speed 11.
I hope you enjoyed this great video of CN Z121. Conductor's on, rolling west again. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again at Kev's Railfanning, enjoy and be safe.